Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey there, Bitcoin fans. Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm your host today, and we're going to dive into the latest on-chain indicators that predict the direction of the Bitcoin market in Q3 2025. So, if you've been following the price action of Bitcoin, you know it's been a wild ride lately. The recent pullback from its peak above $100,000 has left many investors wondering what's next for the king of cryptos. Well, we're here to break down some key metrics that could give us a better idea of where we stand in the Bitcoin cycle. First up, let's take a look at the MVRV Z-score, a trusted on-chain indicator that compares market value to realized value. After hitting 3.36 at Bitcoin's $100,000 peak, the MVRV Z-score dropped to 1.43, aligning with the recent pullback from $100,000 to $75,000. Now, this 30% correction might seem alarming, but recent data shows the MVRV Z-score rebounding from its 2025 low of 1.43. But here's the thing: historically, MVRV Z-score levels around 1.43 have marked local bottoms, not tops, in prior Bitcoin bull markets. Think back to 2017 and 2021, those pullbacks were followed by resumed uptrends. So, could this current correction be a sign of something bigger? At Bitcoin Bulletin, we've got our eye on the value days destroyed multiple, another critical on-chain indicator that tracks the velocity of BTC transactions weighted by holding periods. Right now, it's in the green zone, which means experienced holders are taking profits and long-term investors are accumulating. This is a big deal, folks. It suggests we're entering a phase where long-term holders are driving the price up, rather than just short-term traders. And let's not forget the Bitcoin cycle capital flows chart, which breaks down realized capital by coin age. Near the $106,000 peak, new market entrants were driving a spike in activity, but since the pullback, that group's activity has cooled to levels typical of early to mid bull markets. Now, when we zoom out and look at the bigger picture, it becomes clear that Bitcoin cycles can be divided into three phases: past bear markets, recovery phases, and exponential phases. The current cycle falls within this range, but unlike past bull markets, Bitcoin's breakout above previous highs was followed by a pullback rather than an immediate surge. So, what does this mean for Q3 2025? Well, if we follow the historical patterns of past cycles, it seems likely that the exponential phase of the 2025 bull market could start as early as September. But as always, there are risks to consider. Macro headwinds, like a deteriorating equity market, could cap Bitcoin's near-term rally potential. So, where do we stand in this Bitcoin cycle? From an on-chain perspective, it seems healthy and cycle-consistent behavior is underway. But at Bitcoin Bulletin, we're not ones to shy away from the risks. We'll be keeping a close eye on macro conditions, and we'll bring you updates as more information becomes available. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you want to stay up to date with the latest news and analysis from Bitcoin Bulletin, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check out our website, where we've got all sorts of resources and insights on the world of Bitcoin and beyond.